Are you getting frustrated when resetting the Apple ID password and it shows a "This Apple ID is not active" alert on your iPhone? This common issue can be quite disruptive, but don't worry. In this tutorial, I am going to guide you through the steps to resolve this. This Apple ID is not active warning issue quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Reset from iforgot.apple.com. Open a browser. Go to iforgot.apple.com. Then tap Reset Password. Enter email or phone number if asked. Then tap Continue, or enter your iPhone passcode if prompted. Now put New Password, then retype the password and tap Save or Done. Solution 2. Complete payments. Go to Settings, tap on Apple Username, then tap Payments and Shipping. Now make payments if required. Solution 3. Check for the latest iOS updates. Open the Settings app, go to General, then tap on Software Updates. Now check and install any available updates, and ensure your iPhone is charged at least 50% or more while updating. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope these strategies solve your iPhone's unable to reset the Apple ID issue. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful content. Thanks for tuning in. See you guys next time.